Welcome back to the Green Mech TV channel. On city streets, the Heil automated side loader goes to work with precision. Its mechanical arm stretches out smoothly, gripping each garbage bin and lifting it with ease. Within seconds, the bin is tipped and emptied into the truck's large hopper, then placed neatly back on the curb. This seamless motion saves time, reduces the need for manual labor, and keeps the collection process efficient and consistent across entire neighborhoods. The truck itself is built for performance. Powerful, reliable, and designed to handle long routes with heavy loads. Its automation not only speeds up waste collection but also improves safety for workers by limiting direct contact with trash. Every movement of the arm, every cycle of lifting and compacting, is engineered to keep the streets clean while reducing the physical strain once placed on sanitation crews. Behind this innovation is a bigger goal, making urban waste management smarter and more sustainable. By using technology like automated side loaders, cities can streamline their operations, reduce emissions from prolonged collection times, and ensure cleaner, healthier communities for everyone. Streets awake to the familiar rumble of a front-loader garbage truck. Here, efficiency meets purpose. As it approaches the commercial bin, powerful hydraulic arms swing forward, locking in, lifting, and smoothly dumping contents into the hopper above the cab. Through every motion, the system compacts trash, turning large volumes into manageable loads. Inside the cab, operators control everything with precision. Arms align, dumpers tip, and compaction begins, all while minimizing noise and minimizing fuel wastage. These trucks aren't just lifting waste, they're designed to streamline routes, reduce the number of trips, and lower emissions. Every bin lifted, every compacted load contributes to cleaner streets, healthier communities, and smarter urban living. It's not just garbage collection, it's environmental stewardship in motion. When waste hauling becomes more than just pickups, competition enters a new arena: data, safety, and smart operations. Enter Third Eye, technology designed to give refuse fleets eyes everywhere without extra effort. Cameras mounted around the truck deliver full visibility, front, side, rear, while radars detect obstacles, protect drivers, and reduce claims. In-cab systems monitor stops, route conditions, and service events automatically, so drivers stay focused behind the wheel. Through intelligent software, every route becomes measurable. Missed pickups, blocked bins, or container overloads are logged passively. Video proof is available when needed. Fleet managers get reports that were once tedious, but now flow in real time. Every day begins with duty on city streets, and the Heil half-pack mounted on the Econic chassis is built for exactly that. This driver's truck isn't just about carrying trash. It's about doing it smarter, safer, and cleaner. Out on the road, the half/pack body works hard. Hydraulic arms reach out to lift heavy dumpsters, sturdy tailgate locks secure the load, and the compactor packs waist tightly, so fewer trips are needed and fewer emissions follow. Double-walled hopper and strong subfloor foundation ensure durability despite harsh loads and corrosive waste. Step into the cab. The low-entry design gives drivers better visibility and easier access. Controls are intuitive. Joystick operation. In-cab display systems that feed real-time diagnostics and even route feedback. There's less strain, more awareness, and more confidence in each turn and every bin lifted. This is more than waste collection. It's environmental care in motion. With each route, this truck helps reduce carbon emissions, reduce fuel usage, and keep neighborhoods clean. Every day, the fleet rolls out with one mission: keep the streets clear and the community clean. Trucks move from block to block, their automated arms lifting heavy bins with precision. In seconds, waste is tipped into the body, compacted, and secured for transport. Drivers and crew work in perfect rhythm, guiding the vehicles through narrow alleys, busy intersections, and residential neighborhoods. Cameras and sensors support their vision, but it's the crew's focus and experience that keep the process safe and efficient. As the trucks continue their routes, collection points are cleared one by one. Overflowing containers, missed pickups, or blocked access are all logged and handled. Each stop adds up, preventing waste from piling on sidewalks and keeping public spaces orderly. At the end of the shift, loads are transported to designated facilities, where recycling, disposal, or energy recovery begins. What looks like routine waste collection is actually a vital operation, reducing litter, protecting sanitation, and ensuring healthier streets for everyone. Each Heil garbage truck is designed to keep waste collection fast, clean, and reliable. As the vehicle moves along its route, the automated arm extends to grab bins with precision, lifting them smoothly and tipping their contents into the hopper. Hydraulic compactors press the waste tightly inside, maximizing space and reducing trips to disposal sites. Onboard tools like the Curotto can system speed up collection for heavy or commercial bins, while bay lifters handle standard carts with ease. Drivers maintain full visibility with third-eye cameras, ensuring every stop is safe and efficient. Every lift, every compaction cycle, and every container emptied adds up to cleaner streets and healthier neighborhoods. These trucks don't just collect trash. They turn the daily challenge of waste into a streamlined, professional operation that supports both crews and communities. A fresh era of waste collection begins when the Heil Command-SST rolls into action. Designed for efficiency and ease, this sideloader's arm reaches out swiftly, securing the bin by the curb, lifting and emptying its contents, all with precision from inside the cab. Operators benefit from joystick control responsiveness and driver-forward visibility. No need to look back or crane necks. The arm handles cans low or high, even angled bins in ditches or snowbanks, increasing safety and speed. With its streamlined Durapack body, the Command-SST is light but tough, built to haul more garbage with fewer trips. Features like low dump height and reduced cab shake make every route smoother and more comfortable. When waste is compacted tightly in the body, fewer road trips are needed, less fuel is burned, fewer emissions released, cleaner operations, quieter neighborhoods. Finally, as the truck drives off full, it's not just garbage that's been collected, it's progress toward cleaner cities, healthier air, and smarter infrastructure. Every stop, every lift, every route is engineered for environmental impact and operational excellence. When Heil trucks are paired with the Curotto can, garbage collection takes a leap forward. Drivers roll up, the automated carry can arm swings out, grips each bin, lifts and empties, all without stepping out. Trash is compacted inside the body so fewer trips are needed and collection routes run smoother. Maneuvering tight neighborhood streets and cul-de-sacs becomes effortless with eyes-forward control. Operators stay alert, focused, and efficient. Communities benefit from faster pickups, reduced odors, and cleaner sidewalks. Every lift, every compacted load, and every route completed with precision means lower fuel use, fewer emissions, and a healthier environment. The day begins at the waste transfer station, where massive split-body garbage trucks line up to release their collected loads. With a low mechanical hum, the tailgates rise and hydraulic cylinders push tons of refuse outward. The compartments are designed to separate streams, general waste in one side, recyclables in the other, ensuring that even at this stage, material is moving toward the right processing path. Bags burst open as they fall, cardboard flattens under its own weight, and the ground fills with debris waiting to be sorted. For the drivers, this is just one stop in a daily cycle, but it's a vital moment in the chain of waste management. As soon as the trucks finish unloading, a new crew moves in. Excavators take center stage, their arms extending and buckets biting into the piles that have spilled across the floor. Each scoop captures plastic, paper, and food waste, lifting it off the ground and dropping it into waiting bins or larger containers. The noise is constant: metal scraping concrete, engines roaring, trash tumbling into hoppers. Every operator works with precision, clearing wide areas quickly while avoiding obstacles on the busy floor. This process isn't just about tidiness, it's about safety. Loose trash on the ground can create hazards for workers, clog drainage channels, or even spark fires in hot conditions. By methodically removing every piece, the crews keep the station operational and the environment secure. The constant cycle of lifting, dumping, and compacting ensures that nothing is left to pollute nearby waterways or neighborhoods. By the time the last excavator makes its pass, the once cluttered floor is nearly clear. What began as a chaotic heap of garbage is transformed into organized loads, ready for their next stage of processing. The station is reset, waiting for the next round of incoming trucks to repeat the cycle. Overhead, cranes equipped with powerful claws swing into action. Their steel jaws clamp down on bulky items, twisted metal, oversized wood scraps, and tangled debris that machines on the ground can't handle efficiently. One lift after another, the crane separates and relocates heavy loads, reducing clutter and feeding materials into sorting areas. The floor becomes a dance of machines, each with a role: excavators pushing and scooping, loaders gathering fine debris, and cranes pulling out large fragments. Time passes, and the piles shrink. Materials are redistributed, some to recycling streams, others to landfills or energy recovery plants. Trucks arrive, get loaded again, and drive off, carrying away sorted waste. The coordination is impressive. Multiple machines working in tight quarters, guided by skilled operators who understand both speed and precision, are critical. Behind these scenes is a bigger truth. Modern waste management relies not just on collection, but on constant teamwork between trucks, heavy machinery, and people. Every load dumped, every claw full of debris, every compacted pile contributes to cleaner cities and healthier communities. If you found this look inside the world of garbage trucks, loaders, and cranes fascinating, help us share it. Click like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with others. Together, we can show the importance of these unsung machines and the crews who keep our environment moving forward, one load of trash at a time.